Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and we are indeed gonna be sorry, we just exited the festival, guys. We are gonna go back to the festival, and we are indeed gonna be playing some gameplay. Garage, something in the barn finds ready. Find and not be added to your garage. Okay.
Not just a Dino, a 246 GT with the bigger engine. Runs as smooth as it did the day it rolled off the production line. It took a little while to get that smell out of the seats, though.
So this is our barn. It just produces cars, guys. A Ferrari Dino 246 GT 1969, guys. Wow, guys, really good car. But indeed, my cars. Let's see which is the most expensive car we have, guys. Sort, manufacturer year, value. So, whoa, that is actually the most expensive car, guys. 10,000. Or Ferrari. Impressive. So we're indeed gonna switch to that car, guys. This car, new car. And for roads discovered, these are our discoveries, records. Top speed 405. Distance driven, longest jump, longest drift. Average speed 89 per hour. Top speed 405, guys, 405. Inventory these are our records. Max left front temperature, switch temperature, Blizzard Mountain. I haven't driven anything Hot Wheels, so none of them are there. My online races entered, online races won, online winnings, CR, campaigns, and this is just the journal stats, guys. So we are indeed gonna be looking at elite designs, auction alerts. We'll check for art and auction house, guys. We're just gonna check it out. Oh, start bid, see or no. Auction details. Buyout, guys. It's just claiming the rewards, guys. Or car. In the back. Okay, yes. Okay, guys. So now if we go to garage, my cars, we shall, have this car. Open it, get in car, guys. We're just gonna check out its features, guys. Back, upgrades. Auto upgrade, guys. Okay. Calculating upgrades, guys. New, I would see our guys. Saving the content. Wait, we're gonna do a load up. Wait, 3. Okay, yeah, guys. This is our upgrades we can do. just keep it 5. This one, guys. Download and save. It's downloading, guys. I'll catch you when it's ready, guys. So it's ready, guys. And we're just gonna drive it, guys. See how it is, guys. Our driver's view. Our this view, and this is how good is this car, guys. We're going to be using this car, guys, for a few episodes, and we're going to change the view, guys. It goes insanely fast, guys. So guys, we're indeed going to be going to the Beach Drive Street Race. Driving through there.
When it is safe to do so. Each 100 meters.
But guys, so we're just going to be driving there. So guys, we're just going to be going there. 1.1 kilometers left, guys. Check out what it is. We're just going to keep this view for now, guys. Guys, driving through. Guys, we're just gonna be driving through. And our event.
You have arrived at your destination.
And into a race, guys. I'll catch you guys when it's ready. So guys, it's just preparing and beachside blast. Not this one, guys. Oh no. I have to quit the race, guys. It can't let me explore other levels, guys. So guys, we're just gonna be driving to guys.
Turn around.
This was our car.
If you're out driving and see an old tumble-down barn, mate, better stop and have a look. The little bird told me there's a classic car hidden in there.
Ooh. There's another barn house. As you just saw, guys, that purple mystery box right there, guys. So I'll catch you guys in the next one, guys. Stay tuned.